Dark. Yeah, please. Now.
My name is Julie Darnell.
Very nice. Beautiful. So what are you feeling here in Jaipur, in India, North India right now?
I love it. It's beautiful, it's wild, and it's very enlightening, very peaceful.
Very peaceful. So here you came at some place which known as a Sagar, and this place is very unknown in between tourists. But what do you say about the place? That how do you like here, and it's a feeling you are safe? Everything is?
I think it's probably the most beautiful place I've visited in this area.
Okay. And this place known as a Sagar, so this is the lake we have here, is very famous in the local tourists. So lots of local people after rain comes here to visit this place. So here the tourists, not so many comes here because they don't know about the place. So if the tourists coming from US want to, what you want to suggest them, they should have to come here in Sagar also?
They should make a point to come here, make a point to find a driver that will bring them here.
Okay.
Everybody that comes to Jaipur needs to come here.
And this is your driver?
Yes, my
Okay.
good friend.
Your good friend?
Yes.
Very nice. So about the food, what do you want to suggest? Is the spicy food is nice?
The spicy food is the best.
Best.
I love the masala. Everything masala.
Everything in masala.
Yes. And the green chilies are so good.
So there is lots of, the US and from other countries, the tourist women comes alone. So it's in India they are coming alone and they are traveling at the place where, unknown. Is safe for them if
Yes,
they take
it
the
is.
precautions?
If you take care to be modest and you make sure that you have an escort with you later on in the evenings, you're pretty okay, pretty safe. I have not felt threatened in any way here. I felt very safe here.
Very safe.
I definitely recommend for women to travel here. In groups alone, I think they're safe as long as they pay attention to their surroundings and dress modestly. And of course, don't be out really late. And, try to go with more than one person if you're going to be out after, like, maybe 8
After
o'clock.
in the evening like this?
Yes.
Okay. So that's, you are from California? From which
No, I'm
place?
from North Carolina.
North Carolina.
Yes.
It's a nice place. I think lots of tourists will be here after your voice, and then when they listen your the things what you are suggesting. Thank you very much in India.
You're welcome. Come visit. Come visit America.
The Trump is now is the president, is very famous. Thank you very much.